Hey there, sushi lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sushi, and we have a special treat for you, the iconic California roll. But here's the twist. We'll be revealing some lesser-known facts about this popular dish that you probably didn't know. So, let's roll into it. The origin story. Did you know that the California roll didn't originate in Japan? That's right. Despite its name, this delicious sushi roll was actually invented in Los Angeles, California in the 1960s. It was a clever adaptation to suit American tastes, and it quickly gained popularity across the United States. Inside-out innovation. One of the unique features of the California roll is that it's often made inside out. This means the rice is on the outside of the roll, contrary to traditional sushi. This switch was made to accommodate the Western preference for seaweed-free sushi, as many Americans were initially hesitant about the texture of nori seaweed. The avocado connection. Now, here's a fun fact: avocado is a crucial ingredient in the California roll. In fact, the creamy, buttery texture of avocado was used to mimic the traditional fatty toro, tuna belly, found in Japanese sushi. This innovative substitution gave the roll its distinctive flavor. Imitation crab mystery. Ever wonder what that imitation crab in your California roll is made of? Well, it's typically made from a blend of fish, starch, and flavorings. It was introduced to provide an affordable alternative to real crab and became a staple in this dish. While it's not actually crab, it adds a unique taste and texture to the roll. The name debate. Now, here's something that might surprise you. There's an ongoing debate about who exactly coined the name California roll. Some claim it was created by a sushi chef named Ichiro Mashita in Los Angeles, while others credit Hidekazu Tojo in Vancouver, Canada. Regardless of the origin, one thing is certain: the California roll has made its mark worldwide. The original name. While we know it as the California roll today, the original name for this sushi creation was the Tojo Maki. It was named after Hidekazu Tojo, the sushi chef who is believed to have popularized this delicious roll in North America. Japanese reaction. Interestingly, when the California roll made its way to Japan, it wasn't immediately embraced. Traditional sushi enthusiasts were initially skeptical of this westernized version. However, over time, it gained popularity in Japan as well, with some sushi chefs adding their own unique twists to the recipe. Sushi evolution. The California roll is a prime example of sushi evolution. It reflects how sushi has adapted to different cultural tastes and ingredients over the years. This fusion of flavors and styles is a testament to the diversity and innovation in the culinary world. Vegetarian and vegan variations. Did you know that there are vegetarian and vegan versions of the California roll? Instead of imitation crab or real crab, you can find variations that use ingredients like tofu, avocado, cucumber, and other vegetables. It's a testament to how adaptable this roll can be to different dietary preferences. California roll around the world. The California roll is not limited to North America or Japan. You can find variations of it in sushi restaurants all around the world. From Australia to Europe and beyond, chefs have put their own twists on this iconic dish to cater to local tastes. Tojo's culinary legacy. Hidekazu Tojo, the chef often associated with the California roll, has become a sushi legend. He's known for his innovative approach to sushi and has trained numerous chefs who have gone on to make their own marks in the culinary world. The unexpected influence. Would you believe it if I told you that the California roll's creation was partly influenced by a scarcity of traditional sushi ingredients? Yes, in the early days of its inception, avocados and cucumbers were used as fillings because they were more readily available in California than traditional Japanese sushi ingredients. Sushi fusion pioneer. The California roll is often seen as one of the pioneers of fusion sushi. It blended Japanese sushi techniques with American ingredients, creating a culinary trend that would eventually lead to the creation of many other fusion sushi dishes we enjoy today. Toyo-san's innovation. The California roll is often attributed to Hidekazu Tojo, a sushi chef from Vancouver, Canada. He not only popularized the roll but also introduced the concept of Batara Sushi, where the ingredients are pressed together in a box shape, creating a unique texture and taste. Healthier option. Compared to many other sushi rolls that are deep-fried or laden with rich sauces, the California roll is often considered a healthier option. It's a great choice for those looking to enjoy sushi with fewer calories and less fat while still savoring a burst of flavors. National California Roll Day. Believe it or not, there's even a day dedicated to celebrating the California roll. National California Roll Day is observed on March 9th each year. It's a day to indulge in this delectable creation and appreciate its role in sushi history. Record-setting California roll. Speaking of celebrations, did you know that the world record for the largest California roll ever made was set in 2011? It measured a jaw-dropping 410 feet in length. Now that's one giant roll. So, there you have it, folks. The California roll, a delicious and iconic sushi dish with a surprising history and an enduring legacy. Whether you're a sushi aficionado or a newcomer to the world of sushi, there's always something new to learn and appreciate about this roll. If you enjoyed this video and found these facts interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Thanks for rolling with us, and we'll see you next time.